Hello my friends and welcome back to a new video. In this video I'm going to show you how to build this application. In the most of famous applications you can see they have a banner just like this on the top, and some pictures will be displayed and automatically it will be slided to next picture. Pictures are based on the topic of the application. If it is a shopping application, you can see different products of this application of the shop. If it's a news application, you can see the breaking news on the top. If it's currency app, you can see the famous currencies, exchange rate on the top. And it's like this. You have two buttons to control the slides based on your need. And you can slide just like this, and you can hold one of them to read the news, for example, and that's it. Let's implement it. Before I start recording, I have located 4 images in the drawable and also in the Gradle. I have added this dependency for the pager, and I've changed as always the target SDK and the compile SDK to 34 at this time that I'm recording this video. Then let's sync them, and we are ready to use the page. Okay, let's check again what do we have to start designing the layout. Here on the top we have this slider, the horizontal pager, let's say, and inside of it we have the images, and down below we have this page indicator. So we need a column to locate this horizontal pager inside it, and to locate this below of this horizontal pager. And also these buttons, as you can see, the position of them is constant on the screen. So on the top of this horizontal pager we have one box to hold these buttons inside it. These are icon buttons, so we need that box as well. Let's create it. I'm going to start with having a column here. Here in the column I need a modifier, fill max size, and horizontal alignment center horizontally. Then inside of it I need a box, as I said, modifier dot wrap content size, and inside of this box I'm going to create this pager first, and for the pager we need a state. So here I'm going to create a value calling it pager state equals to remember pager state, and as the page count I'm going to pass the size of this list, so images dot size. Sorry, we don't need this bracket. Okay, and I'm going to pass this pager state here. Then for the pager I need a modifier wrap content size and padding of 26.dp. Importing dp, and that's it for the horizontal pager. Inside of the pager, we need a card that holds the image inside. Okay, and inside of this I'm going to use image as the painter. We need a painter resource. As the ID, I'm going to pass images and current page. And for the content description, I'm going to pass null. I think that's okay for this part. Let's check what do we have till now on the emulator. Okay, we have this image inside of this card, and as you can see, these are attaching each other. So it's better to have the padding inside of this horizontal pager on the card, not on the pager. So let's take this padding and leave it here. And let's check it again. Okay, now we have the space between the cards and it looks great. Okay, let's implement the logic for it to make it automatically sliding. Then we will continue with the rest of the material. Okay, here on the top after this, I'm going to call a launch effect, and no need anything here. We are going just to pass a unit here, and inside it, while it's true, we need a delay. Let's have it 2000 milliseconds, and I'm going to create a value calling it next page equals to pager state dot current page plus 1 and modulus pager state dot page count. Then pager state dot scroll to page Then we are going to pass this next page here. So simply it will find the next page number and we will pass it here, and that's it. Okay, let's check it. Okay, as you can see, after 2 seconds, the slide will be changed. Now let's go further to create this page indicator and these buttons here. Okay. Here down below, I'm going to add these icon buttons inside of this box. It has on click and also we need a modifier here as well. A padding of 30.dp, then size of 48.dp, alignment dot center end dot clip circle shape. Okay, and here we need an icon. With image vector, then icons dot field dot, let me go down to find it. Yeah, it's here, this one. Keyboard arrow right, and content description null again. And for the icon, we need again a modifier with size, or maybe have it fill max size, it's better. Then tint and color dot light gray. Okay, here we have everything for this, and let's duplicate it. And this time instead of center end, we will have center start, and instead of right, we will have left. Okay, now we need to implement logic for the on click of this icon buttons to control the slide number. Here on the top, we need a value, calling it a scope, equals to, remember, coroutine scope. And here for the next button, we will check if the value next page equal to pager state dot current page plus 1. We'll check it if this next page is smaller than images dot size, then we are going to use this scope dot launch and pager state dot scroll to page next page, and we will use this part for the back button. Sorry, I made a mistake. This one is the back button, so it should be here, and this one should be here, but with some changes. This time we are going to create another value, calling it preview page equals to pager state dot current page minus 1, and checking this preview page. If it's greater or equal to 0, then we will go to previous page, and that's it. Let's check it. We have an error. Okay, here we don't need this on the import. The rest are good. Let's check it. Okay, we have these buttons, but the background is missing. Let me create a background for it, and as you can see, the slide is changing. Okay. After this modifier inside this icon button, after the modifier, we need the color. Colors equal to icon button defaults dot icon button colors, and here container color equals to color 0 x ff 37 37 37. It's a gray color, and I'm going to make it transparent, just like this. Let's copy this for the next button as well, icon button after the modifier, and let's check it again. Okay, we have this shadow under this button, and you can see it. Now the page indicator. Okay, it should be let's say inside of this column, this one, but outside of the box. Better to have it outside of the box. So here, this is the end of this block. Here I'm going to add this. Zoom. We need a function for this, calling it page indicator. and we need page count, and we can use the page count by the pager state, but no matter, let's send it here. So images dot size and current page equals to pager state dot current page and a modifier. Let's create this function. Okay, we have everything that we need. Here for the page indicator, we need a row to have the dots inside it, and then we will have another composable function for the dots itself. So here I need a row, horizontal arrangement, spaced between, then vertical alignment center vertically, and a modifier equals to modifier. Then we will repeat the page count. Okay, what's the functionality of this repeat? The page count here is 3. That means 4. That means 4 times repeat whatever that we have during inside of this block. So inside of this block, I'm going to create another composable function. Indicator dots, and I'm going to create a boolean if it's selected or not, then it equals to current page. Let's create this composable function as well, and this boolean is passed here. Okay, we need a box and also let's pass the modifier here as well. Modifier equals to modifier. Okay, we have the modifier here, so equals to modifier dot not fill max size. I just want to pass this to next line. Okay, dot a padding for the beginning, 2 dp between the dots, then dot size, and here we have to create this size. I want to have different size for the dots. If it's selected, bigger; if it's not selected, a bit smaller. So we are going to create a value calling it size equals to animate dp as a state. Then the target value, if is selected, we will have it 12.dp, and else uh, 10.dp. And finally we need a label, and I'm going to leave it empty. Then I'm going to pass this size here. Dot value. The next thing that we need is a clip and circle shape again, and the background. If again is selected, we will implement color, a gray color we need, so 0x ff 37 37 37, something like that, and else color again the same, 0x ff 37 37 37, and the second color I'm going to choose it and make it a bit transparent. Okay, now we don't have same color. The selected color is darker and unselected color is lighter. Let's check it. Okay, here we have different size in the dots and different color in the dots as well. As you can see, everything works perfect. I can control the slides by pressing the buttons back and next, and also by sliding them. And that was everything about this video. If it's first time that you are here, please hit the subscribe button to be aware about new videos. And if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up to make me happy and give me energy to make more videos for you. Thank you very much for your time. If you have any question, if any suggestion, write them down below in the comment box and I will be so happy to read and answer them. Have a good time. Bye bye.